Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Motorola One 5G Ace Google Play Store. First, we need to open a Google Play Store and actually try to find the game. Enter Call of Duty, and as you can see there's no real results that we're looking for. And now we go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings and family. Here enter parental controls, apps and games, enter the PIN code, click on OK. Increase PG to at least 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. If you go back and look for the game, it should be on the top right here and you can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.